Hey, just tried it. Didn't work. Anyway, I've got all these neighbors and shit, and they've been popping off fireworks all week, disrupting sleep for my stepdaughter and all this. So I got 2 bricks of firecrackers. And I just doused them in fucking lighter fluid, which is probably a fire hazard that I don't need to deal with. Anyway, I'm gonna switch the camera and there we go. Looks like it's gonna pop off. Here you go, guys. Thanks for waking me up. God, this is gonna be so fucking loud. Fuck it, let's egg it on. Go for it. Burn, motherfucker. Why aren't these things popping? There we go. Pop it, motherfucker! Oh. There's the cops. I've got to stop. We're done with it.
No more, alright?
Sorry, that was the end of it. Sorry.
Yeah, it's a little late.
I know, sorry, that's the end of it.
Alright, no more, alright?
Alright, no more.